Did you know that seagulls are masters of flight? They can soar for hours using the wind to their advantage. But that's not all! These clever birds are also known for their resourcefulness. They're not afraid to scavenge for food. And they've even been known to steal from other animals. And speaking of food, seagulls have a unique way of cracking open shellfish. They drop them from a height onto hard surfaces, using gravity to their advantage. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun facts.